Welcome back to RC Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. Today I'm at Fisherman's Beach, Montego Bay, where there is a massive cleanup event led by WPM Waste Management Limited in partnership with several stakeholders. The day's activities include beach cleanup, boat tours, and a lunch hour concert at 1 p.m. plus a number of other activities. This will be a series because there's a lot to share from the day. Let's get into it. If you enjoy learning about Jamaica, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I upload at least once or twice for the week and sometimes every day of the week. So turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Artie. What's your name, by the way?
Sharnon Williams.
Okay, so this is Sharnon Williams from WPM Waste Management, and you guys had an event here today. I am very late for the event, and I'm hoping that you could catch me up on what's going on, and of course the audience.
All right, so today's World Oceans Day and the ending of Environmental Week. So we came over, we did a massive beach cleanup. We had Hyatt here, we had Seaford Town, school. We had Yui, a lot of persons joined in and they cleaned up the beach nicely for us. We'll be carting away all the bulky waste as well. That's the old fridge and so on that they have thrown over here. We also unveiled a recycling bin, which will be used for the storage solely of plastic bottles. So we don't want the plastic waste going into the sea any at all. We're trying to divert that kind of waste from going in. We'll be having a lunch hour concert. We have students painting murals at the front. So we're just having a nice vibe here today. There's presently a boat tour that's supposed to be going on. They're docking from Pier 1. Okay. They're actually leaving from Pier 1.
So is that being led by the Montego Bay Marine Park?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
So we have quite a number of partners here with us as well. Montego Bay Marine Park, Recycling, Partners of Jamaica, of course the National Solid Waste Management Authorities, our support always, and a lot of schools like Catherine Hall Primary, Herbert Morrison, St. James High, a whole lot of schools came out and they really have been supportive of the event.
Okay, so this is the garbage that they collected today?
Except the plastic. The plastic sample already been taken by recycling partners.
Oh, okay. Did you guys weigh it this time around?
Yes, I have to get the weight from my team.
Okay then, perfect. Alright guys, so this is the Fisherman's Beach. That's what it's called. I've never been over here. This is actually my first time over here.
People know us for the plastic ban, but that's not just it. We've been here for 20 years, so it's 20 years of working with partners, community-based organizations, schools, and so we're continuing the journey.
Yeah, because people would get vexed for the last one. I mean, them shop down my car wash, you know, but why? I know that the chemicals that they use to wash the cars, the grease that they do in the undercarriage, all of those effluents.
Yes.
You know, it poses a threat.
It poses an issue. A couple of years ago, we had a campaign where we were advising people not to wash their cars in rivers.
Oh, yes.
That is an issue.
Because people drink the water.
Right.
It's always difficult. How difficult is that for people to understand?
I think some of the issues that we face, small and large, they don't understand how important the environment is. You cannot just take, you have to give back. And sometimes, you just have to leave on it. So from
that's why when I find a girl, it's another river. I try and find the head of the stream. I mean, when nobody beat up this so see them soap water come wash down on me down this so. What's your message?
I think the key message we have to understand is that we cannot just take, we have to give back. And sometimes we have to leave it alone.
What do you want us to give back?
I want us to give back the land, give back the care that we need. So we need to give back the trees, the mangroves, the use of certain land elements, as I said, just like washing the car in the river. We need to give the river what it needs, and we need to go elsewhere.
You understand that you're knowledgeable in this area. It's a give back. We don't know what to give back, you know. We don't know what to give back, no. What if we give the river? More water?
We should give the river some space. We must give
Really?
it a little respect in some
mean
areas.
space?
Yeah, man. There are some times where we don't need to use the river for every single thing, and we need to also respect. So
What's some of the
clean up after
do's and the
yourself.
don'ts when they say rivers? When they say river, tell me some of the don'ts.
Don't throw your garbage there.
Right.
Don't use harsh chemicals in the
In
river.
the river. So when you wash your clothes in the river, you can bleach on them.
No,
Fabric
we're
soft and on.
No, we're
Yes.
not trying to do that.
It's a very important point. Because when them are washing, everybody want them clothes smell fresh. So them carry the fabric soft and all them stuff in the river. Yes, you're right.
Those are the type of things.
Give me two more. And don't, you know what I said? Let me say it for you. Coming out is your mouth of trouble. Don't pass your waist in the river. Because your mouth of trouble, you know, girl. I'm saying I want to say it to them. Let me say it to you. Don't pass your waist in the river. That's a no-no. Only for lock up people. Only for lock them up.
We will make a note to NSWA, but yes, that is also extremely important. That's not where it's supposed to go. That kind of effluent is dangerous to
Very
human and
dangerous.
marine life.
Because it doesn't break down, yeah.
That is an issue, and we are trying ardently to make sure that everybody knows that.
But you know, who's the number one criminals in that area?
I can't.
The females.
That's
The
an area that I
females.
cannot.
Every beach should them go, every river them got them. Yeah. Them add water to water. If you know what I mean. But leave it alone. The Lord is watching. What you say now?
No, I would say that it's
No? What you say no?
please don't draw me out.
It's Bounty there. Bounty is here. Good afternoon, Bounty Killer. It's Bounty there. I was scared.
Do not
See that man, look for him. Look how that behind him. Cross. Come in for it, talk to me.
Listen,
Poor child.
Really, poor child indeed. Poor child indeed. But it is important that our solid waste not interfere with our waterways, with our rivers, our oceans, our seas, because the breakdown of those things break down to the entire environment.
Yeah.
When we have plastic and the different garbage going into these areas, our marine life is affected. Mangroves are choked by the garbage crowding around their roots. It's an environmental issue that needs everybody on deck. And if you start small, it will lead to bigger and better effects.
I like your words, and you always say give back.
Yes.
Yeah, that's your word. Give back. Give back to the environment. Thank you so much, Shari Miller.
Guys, so we're here at the fishing village with Tracy, and she works here at the seafood restaurant, and she's going to tell us a bit more about it.
Yeah.
Hi Tracy, how are you? I'm Marcy.
I'm good. So I'm here. I'm the bartender at the seafood restaurant here at the Fish Village.
Right.
We specialize in different seafood dishes such as, kombu soup, fishy soup. You can get your fish steamed, fried, or escovitched. We have rice and peas, we have pasta, and fried breadfruit, ackee and saltfish. Just come down and come and support us.
When you guys open?
We open on weekends.
On weekends?
Because it's a new restaurant, so we're just trying to build our customer base. But so far, we're doing well, and we're planning on opening
During the week. So Saturdays and Sundays. What
Friday,
time?
Saturday, and Sunday.
Friday, Saturday, and
We open
Sunday.
for breakfast on Sundays. 7 in the morning till like 3-4 o'clock in the evening. But on Friday and Saturdays, we go up till like 7-8.
Oh, okay. All right. And so the food is prepared as for.
Yes, it's prepared on spot, and we do the steamed fish. When you order, we do it
For you then. Okay, perfect. Okay, so
and
nice and fresh.
It's a nice chill out spot. You come down with your family. We have beverages. You can drink and just enjoy yourself. Enjoy the cool breeze. It's a fishing village, so you can come and buy your fish.
And you know that you're getting fresh fish when you buy
Fresh
it.
fish, yeah. So when you buy your food, you're getting fresh fish.
Right.
Nothing that has been catch and put down.
Yes.
You get fresh stuff, and you can just come down and support us.
All right. Thank you, Tracy.
NSWA Tagline. What is the NSWA tagline? So you know what a tagline is? For example, KFC, it's finger licking good. Burger King, I wish one of them are finger licking good. I don't know, I don't eat meat, but yeah. Nobody does it better. KFC, nobody does it better. That's the tagline, right? So, what is the tagline for NSWMA? What you say? What's that, mommy? Try, man. Either you're right or you're wrong. Somebody said Jamaica's what? It sounds like you're right, you know. Come a little closer now. You shy? I don't want no shy guy. Come now. Yo, we can make it for him. I want to hear the answer though, I'm not sure. What did he say? Russ. He said the Patwa version, we can't give, not true. He said Jamaica beauty, our duty. You're right, Jamaica's beauty is our duty. Alright, so we have a cup for your Rasta. Some for you put your liquor. A liquor that or roots? Roots, make sure roots. So we have that, alright?
We make hot tart.
Yeah! Listen to me. You want to suffer, you are no, you are suffer, my you seeing. You take too long. You take too long. So what's your name?
David.
Delvin? Alright, so we need Delvin prize right about now. They can manage for run go under there. So we need one umbrella on standby. I need an umbrella.
Inviting all performers to join me under the tent. Yes, I need to know that you guys are here. Fire Sean, go and blaze it up real quick.